welcome back to Red Panda. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a simple way to add opening and closing animations to your game. Don't worry about any of this. You can do this even if you don't have a custom scene for your panel. I just have 3 scenes to use this, so I just thought it would be more convenient. Don't worry about how your thing is set up, just do this. So, for starters, we need 2 variables. Vol visible, and this is good. We're just gonna do visible with a capital V, so it doesn't yell at us, equals false. We're also gonna have a vol visible. Two, and this is also going to equal false. Because visible 2 is very important, but don't worry about it. So what we're going to do is if get parent, if this is just your main scene for whatever window, just do. Don't ignore the get parent dot visible and dot visible 2. I'm going to do visible equals true. And visible 2 equals true. Visible with a capital V equals true. And I'm going to do visible 2 also equals true. Now, if not get parent dot visible and visible 2. I'm going to take visible and we're going to set this to false, and visible 2, and we're going to set this to false as well. Okay, so that's just a simple system that is required to do this. If you thought that was complicated, leave. Okay, now what we're going to need is an animation player. I have 2 here due to just hover animations, but you don't need that. So what we need to do is just create a new animation from whatever animation player you have for this panel. And just call it open. Actually, open/close. Open or close. You know, just open, close. Okay. So what we're gonna do, we just want a little short animation. So the way we're going to do this is we're just going to take our panel, and we're just going to take it visibility. You know what? Let's just take it scale. We're going to key it at 1. Okay. Now at this, we're going to turn it to 0. So now if we watch this, but that doesn't look really good, because it is just not really doing what we want. It's going in that way. So, a way we can fix this is here. We can key this position. And here at the end, we can center this right here. It didn't move. Okay. So what we can do to center it is, since this is a 1280, what we can do is 1280 divided by 2, 640, 720 divided by 2. 360. Okay, this. So now it scales nice and neatly. Right. Yeah. So now that we have that, we just need to set up the poses. So, whoops, this is not meant to be an already. This is meant to be an old process. Okay. We actually don't need this actual just. You know what? Let's change to how this works quickly. We don't need this visible to it all. Yeah, okay. So, for the closed, we can just have a funk closed. And this is just going to be called whenever we take it, whenever we close it. You know what, let's just do open slash close. So we can just handle it all in this one thing. That's just to call it open close. Let's just pass in let's just call it value, which is of type bool. And now here, what we're just gonna do is we're gonna do if value. This means it's open. We're going to take away animation player. Dot play backwards. Hopefully, open close. Else, there's it, and just play. Open close. So that's all we need in this open close function. So now we just need to be able to call this whenever it opens or closes. So firstly, we need it whenever this button is pressed. Okay? Whenever this button is pressed, we need to do it. So, is it button 2? Yep. Instead of doing this, what we're going to do is we're going to take an animation player. Stop. And we're just going to do open, close. And we're going to pass in false. We're now going to wait. Animation player. Finish. Animation. I'm not sure that's the right thing or not. Animation finished. Animation finished. Just like that. And now, now we just need to fire this whenever it opens. Hey guys, I actually forgot to record. I forgot entirely about one part. I was so excited about the closing animations that I completely forgot about the opening animations. So in our process, we just take our if visible, and what we can do is it's just going to do if the parent's visible. All we have to do is we just call open close and pass in true. Now let's just test this in the game quickly. Don't worry about anything. It'll all be fine. And right now there's no opening animations for the, so now there's opening animations, closing animations, and as you can see, it just works nicely. It is a bit laggy, but don't worry about it. Okay guys, so that's the actual end of the video. Bye.